Hello and welcome back to the channel. Rob here, bringing you another disc dye today. Today, I'm going to try do some halo cells. Let's get right into it. First, I'll go over the ingredients, what you're going to need for this. First thing you'll need is Floetrol. That's what we're going to mix all the dye in. The dye we use is Pro Chemical and Dye, and we use dimethicone oil for this stuff. There's about 3 drops mixed into each 8-ounce bottle of Floetrol. Now I'll go through the colors I'm using. I've got a yellow that's a mix of sun yellow and neon lemon zest. This green is an aquatic green mixed with key lime. I've got a pansy purple mixed with neon royal purple. I'm going to be using a pink, which is a pinkish red, mixed with neon cerise pink. This is a mystery purple. Should be a darker purple. It's mixed with teal, and then I've got black. So we'll get started here. Just gonna lay down a little base layer of Floetrol. Maybe a little more. Halo cells is a style of cell where you make rings of color and the cells kind of extend inward toward the center of a pan in a circular shape, kind of like a halo. The layout for the bed is pretty simple. You're just going to make rings of color around in a circle, working your way into the middle. I like to place, brighter colors next to darker colors, get some good contrast going. It also helps if you do a little bit of layering too, so don't just put the colors right next to each other. Try make some thicker lines and put them over each other, working your way inward. That's something I don't do a great job of here, but it is something that'll help give your cells more depth. And this is where the saran wrap comes in. Just going to cut that, lay it over the top, blow on the top just to get it to drop down and make contact there. And I want to get total contact with the whole bed. Okay, and now for the hardest part of this. So, the goal here is to lift this straight up and have the middle be the last part in contact. So what I'm going to do is sort of push these in. Grab all these, pull straight up. And voila! I do want to just, I've got this OTB Open Ohm I want to throw in there. I think the stamp matches the halo cell style pretty well. But I just want like this area here to be a little more rounded, so I've got a straw here. And I'm just going to shape that a little better. Just gently with the straw to get a little better symmetry. Maybe a little more over here too. Okay, that's looking pretty round. Maybe one more little touch here. All right, I think that's pretty good. Okay, now I'll drop the disc in. Just gotta try center this up properly. Okay, it's in there. I'll heat that under the lamp. If you want to know how I heat my discs, go check out the video I did on heating. There's going to be a link to that in the corner of your screen now. And we'll see the result. I'll see it in an hour. You'll see it right away. All right, here's the result. Turned out pretty good. Great saturation. I think the stamp really complements the dye job. And it's just a great example of halo cells. I think one thing I could do better would be if I heat the bed once the plastic wrap is on the top of it. I think you could get better cells when you pull it right off. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more, leave a comment if there's any way you think I could have done this better or you want to see something else. Until next time, guys, happy dyeing. Thanks for watching. See you later.